What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cat and Miles coming back at you. As you can see by the box, I got a pair of 3 Lab 5s that somebody brought to me. They're dead stock, and of course, after so long of not wearing your shoes, they begin to turn yellow. As you can see at the heel part, it's not really turning yellow, but the front is beginning to turn yellow. So what I'm going to do today is ice this little part. The back is slightly yellow. I mean, you want to wear them, but they're turning yellow. You can see it is barely. Same with this other shoe. It's barely turning yellow. So it won't take me long at all to do these. So like I said, what I'm going to do is go ahead and ice these, and then I'll be back with the finished product. This is the first 3 Lab 5s that they came out with, the elephant print, so that's why they're turning yellow. Of course, I mean, easy fix, so it should be another satisfied customer for me, but I'll be back with the finished product. 3 Lab 5, Unyellowing. It's still slightly yellow, just a little bit. Got as much of it out as I could. That's what I call stuck, where you unyellow it so much, where you do it, and then it get to a certain point and it just seems like it's not going there nowhere, no matter how long you let it sit in the sun or how many times you do it, it still turns out the same. But most of it's gone. You can barely see the yellow, so to me that's a job complete. If you notice, sometimes whenever people unyellow soles, they mainly do the ones with the separation, so they can just take the whole sole and leave it in the sun all day, and you know what I'm saying, couple days, and just get it back to looking like that, or to like this, to where there's pretty much no yellowing on the sole. But again, 3 Lab 5 Unyellowing. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Peace.